Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to cover the Keurig K Mini Go. Alright, the Keurig K Mini Go. Let's do it. And I was going to do the Keurig, or what was it, the K Iced Plus. I think that was the name of the model, the K Ice Slim Plus. I was going to do that next, but this caught my eye, the K Mini Go. It's new. That is, it's a newer model. So I decided to go with this. I picked this up at Target. $99.99. And that's, as I record this, late May 2024. Now for the near $100 price tag, it doesn't come with much. In fact, it doesn't come with anything. And it doesn't offer much in terms of features and benefits. You just have the 8, 10, and 12 ounce cup selection. You also have a strong option, and that's it. You know, when it's time to descale, that light would light up. When it's time to add water in the reservoir, that light lights up. That's it. So this lifts up, and that's where you put the K-Cup pod. This also pops out. Be careful, there's a needle right here. Never grab it and pull it out this way, or else you'll get stuck on that needle. You'll cut yourself. So just pop it out from the bottom like so. If you ever need to clean this, just line that up and pop that back in. So this is the reservoir. It's the lid. That comes right off, and the reservoir is removable for easy filling. Don't know how well you see that max water level line, but you'll be filling it up to that. Put that back. Oh, and by the way, this reservoir is 42 ounces all the way up to the max level line. Also want to give dimensions. The height, now these are approximate dimensions. Height's 12 inches. The depth, what's the depth? The depth is 12 inches, approximately. And the width is 4 1/4, a little over 4 1/4. And I mentioned the dimensions because the K Mini, the original model, and the K Mini Go, it's pretty much the same thing. The only difference is this doesn't offer selections for 8, 10, or 12 ounces. There's no strong feature. There's no descale light that comes on. There's no add water light that comes on. And there's no removable reservoir. You would select anywhere from 6 to 12 ounces, and that's it. I would say the newer model, the K Mini Go, just a little bit more depth, but they share the same height and width. Another thing to mention is the older model had storage for the cord in the back of the unit, where the newer model, well, that storage is replaced with the reservoir. At the base of the unit we have the drip tray. Have the drip tray cover that removes. The drip tray slides out for easy cleaning as well. So from the base to the spout, with the drip tray removed, you have 7 inches. And with the drip tray in place, you have about 6 1/4. Okay, time to make some coffee. Want to show it in operation. I'm going to make 2 cups of coffee because I want to check out that strong feature. I want to see if I could tell the difference, or if you guys could tell the difference when I add the milk in a little bit later. For this demo, I'll be using this Maxwell House breakfast blend. Pop that right in there. We'll close it. We'll select 12. And then to start, we just hit this Keurig symbol on top. Also want to time it. All right, For the 12 ounces without the strong option, minute and 40 seconds. Let me get the focus a little better. There we go. First we're going to select strong, then 12, and then we'll hit start. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I want to get my timer ready. Let's reset that. Okay, now we're good. Yeah, that's important, right? I figure another 15 seconds for the strong option. Full 2 minutes if you want to wait to the last drop. 175. Now that's impressive. That has to be the hottest I've ever got out of a coffee maker. At least out of a single serve. Wow, that's pretty good. Usually they get like 160, 165, 175. That is a nice hot cup of coffee. So we have the strong, that's the strong, 12 ounces, and that's the regular, 12 ounces. I'm going to put in equal amount of milk. There we go. Sorry if the shot was messed up. Another thing I want to point out, if you select the 12 ounce option, make sure you have like a 14 ounce cup. Supposedly these are 14 ounce cups. This is a 12 ounce cup. If you were to use a 12 ounce cup, it would fill it all the way to the top. You would have no room to put sugar, no room to put milk, no room to stir. It would go all over. So just a little tip. And let's see, first the regular cup. That is very hot. And that's like 3 minutes after. And very good. Very good. Full of flavor. Great temperature. Now let's see if I can tell the difference using the strong option. I'm not gonna lie. I can't tell the difference. It's so subtle. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I don't want to lie. I can't lie. I can't tell the difference. That's the regular, and that's the strong. I can't tell the difference looking at it, and I really can't tell the difference tasting it. Both have great flavor, and both have great temperature. That 175, if you're looking for a coffee maker that gives you a good hot cup, yeah, the K Mini Go, that's the model, you're probably going to be interested in. Short of using a French press or pour over, yeah, that works fine. That's going to be the video. I don't want to drag this out, of the Keurig K Mini Go. I hope you found it interesting. I hope it was helpful for anyone who's looking for this model or comparing it to something else. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I love reading the feedback as always. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, do all that good stuff. That helps my channel grow. And I will catch you in my next one.